rapidly respond to customer requests, and empower customers with secured, self-service access to support case creation and status updates via the customer portal. With Acumatica, you can reduce response times, control support costs, and accurately bill service and support transactions related to contracts or service plans. Leverage automated workflows to route service requests to the proper department or individuals based on criteria such as severity, escalation paths, or priorities. Deliver stellar customer service with advanced case commitment tracking and a flexible case closure workflow. Monitor support activities and measure results with tailored dashboards, flexible generic inquiries, and real-time reports. Construction firms benefit from Acumatica CRM case management by linking service and support cases to construction activities. For example, create cases to track subcontractor issues or use cases to manage follow-up maintenance or installation service activities with workflows, centralized communications, and document storage. As a construction project manager, one of my duties is to monitor high-priority cases that has been logged on behalf of our customer for follow-up work with one of our subcontractors. In this case, it looks like the blinds that were hung at the Oasis Hotel require some additional attention. Unfortunately, this is the second request to fix this issue. As part of the cases, you can also create user-defined attributes that will allow you to capture information to accommodate your follow-up reporting and monitoring of the case. On the Activities tab, we can see all the touches that have been recorded. In this case, John has not been very responsive, so most of the communication has been one way. However, we can see that we have an open task to follow up at John's location and that we had to escalate the issue, which is causing us to question our relationship with John due to his lack of responsiveness. Because this is a follow-up case, we can also monitor previous cases that were associated with the original work that was done and review that. Another way in which construction companies can use case management is for follow-up services. In this case, this construction company also provides installation and maintenance of security systems. Here we can see that Amelia feels the keypad is too far from the main door, so she has opened a case to have the keypad move closer to the main door. The good news for Amelia and Alta Ace is that the company has a support contract with the hotel, providing the company an ongoing revenue stream while allowing the hotel to have predictable maintenance cost control. Using Acumatica's case management features for maintenance and support contracts can be a great benefit to the construction company. Those are just a couple of ways in which construction companies can use Acumatica as support case management to run their business more efficiently.